You know, the big four, Google, Facebook, Amazon, but also Apple. Does it make it harder for smaller startups to actually get into that space? And I don't know whether that's, again, a problem with funding or just a problem of market share.
No, it's a matter of time. You have to think about Silicon Valley has been created, over 50 years ago, and the European tech ecosystem was really kind of started 10 years ago, so it's a much younger ecosystem. And so I think that we will see companies in the next 5-10 years that started to scale and become really big global category winners. So I think we can see it's not a problem. I think it's an opportunity.
Even in Europe, Niklas, it seems that the US, Tom Keen's world, Silicon Valley, it's just so much better at putting money behind something and scaling it up straight away.
So the difference in Silicon Valley and Europe is that while we have now a lot of great talent and great amount of companies, there has been a funding gap in Europe the last several years. That's one of the reasons we went out and raised a larger fund with Atomico to fill that gap. But also what I've observed just this year is that you're having some of the large international or global growth investors are really looking at Europe and pouring money into later stage funding, so Series C and onward. So European companies are now able to raise capital on a global basis, whether those are US investors or Asian investors.